Technology has made considerable advancements in so many areas, and heating is no exception. While you may be familiar with the convection space heaters used for decades, infrared space heaters are the latest innovation. These infrared heaters can save money by supplementing your home's primary heating system efficiently and effectively by providing focused warmth.
Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel.
In this video, I recommend best infrared heater with remote control 2022. 5. Trustec. 4. Sunday. 3. Luier. 2. Trustec. 1. Black Decker.